Want to know the number one killer of print-on-demand success? It's not your designs, it's not your niche, and it's not your Facebook ads. It's hesitation. Most sellers will never start. And if they start, they'll launch with a few designs, see no traction, and quit. They'll tell themselves print-on-demand just doesn't work. But the truth is they didn't give it enough time to even see it work. That's why in this video, I'm going to go through the fear that keeps most sellers stuck, the mindset shift that helped me to finally focus and build, and how you can actually get momentum even if you're scared to fail. Hi guys, I'm Meg Heckman, and over the last 5 years, I've been able to take 4 different Shopify print-on-demand brands and scale them to over $1 million in sales in their first 12 months of operating them. And I'm here to tell you that print-on-demand can absolutely work, but it requires your full focus, especially in the beginning. And if you give it that, it will give you everything else that you are chasing. So let's start with the first most common thing that keeps people stuck before they even get a chance to succeed. And let's just call it what it is. The side hustle culture has completely destroyed people's ability to focus on one thing long enough to succeed. We've been told that building a business should be fast, passive, and extremely profitable within days to weeks. But here's the real truth. Print on demand is not a shortcut. It's a business. And like every real business, it comes with a learning curve. It's the same thing as if you were going to fly a plane. Would you watch a few YouTube videos of somebody flying a plane and then jump in the cockpit thinking that you would be ready for takeoff? Of course not. That would be absolutely crazy. And that's what people are doing with print on demand every single day. They'll watch a couple TikToks, get inspired, upload 3 shirts, and then they'll say, well, I'm not making sales. This just doesn't work. No, it's just that you haven't learned how to do it yet. So whether you're starting on Etsy or Shopify, you're learning a brand new skill set, from creative testing to traffic strategy, conversion rate optimization, niche psychology, you name it, you're doing it all. And you're trying to do all of it at once. So think of it not as failure, but think of that as flight school. You're going to school, you're learning how to do all of these things, and that takes time, and that's okay. You wouldn't expect to just skip flight school and still make it off the runway. You would probably crash the plane. And the same thing happens here with print on demand and with other side hustle businesses. And this is where shiny object syndrome really kicks in, because we didn't get the results that we wanted as quickly as we wanted. So then we go looking for something new. We go to another platform, another strategy, another easier path, but that's just fear in disguise. And fear's favorite disguise is productivity. It'll keep us busy trying new things so that you never have to sit still and focus on one thing long enough that it could actually work. And that's where the mindset shift comes into play, because the people who win at this, they don't have fewer doubts. They just approach those doubts completely differently. So let's dig into the mindset shift that changed everything for me. And that was, you don't know what you don't know. And that's completely okay. The sellers who will win long term aren't the ones who get it immediately. It's the ones who give themselves time to learn. They stop treating the business like it's a slot machine or a lottery ticket. They stop expecting it to pay them immediately. And instead, they know that they need to build the skill. So if you're saying to yourself, I need to make this work in just 1 week, plot twist, nothing will ever work. You have to give yourself a realistic timeline. No one builds anything meaningful overnight. I mean, just think of the saying, Rome wasn't built in one day. Like, Rome took hundreds of thousands of years to become the magnificent empire and now city that it is. So it's the same thing with business. We shouldn't be forcing ourselves to try to get something perfect up and running as quickly as possible. It's just setting ourselves up for pretty much failure and feeling like crap. And instead, we're never going to build anything at all. And I like to think of this kind of like a 9-to-5 job. When you graduated college, or maybe you didn't graduate college, but you started your first job and you knew you didn't really have many skills. You were at the bottom of the ladder and you were being trained because you hadn't yet learned what you didn't know. But over time, you got better. And you became more valuable to the business, and you earned promotions, you got raises, and maybe even you started managing people. And that's exactly how a business also works. The more that you build that skill, the more valuable you and your business will become. So the farther you can then take your brand, and the more you're able to build your asset, and then the more leverage you then create. But it all starts with sticking with one thing long enough that you actually can get good at it. Now, if you're somebody who struggles with staying focused and you want help actually tracking that day-to-day progress, we created a free resource called the WeScale Daily Tracker. It's designed to help you build consistent business habits around launching and growing your print-on-demand brand. We set up daily goals, design uploads, traffic testing, and real momentum tracking to help you throughout your journey. You can grab it by joining our free school community that's linked in the description below. It's completely free and it will help you stay focused on the stuff that actually moves the needle with print on demand. But enough about the WeScale tracker. If you're ready to stop starting over and start moving forward with real momentum, here's exactly how to do it. So the first thing that you need to do is you need to simplify. And you simplify by picking one product, one niche, and one traffic source to drive the traffic to your site or however you're going to get people there. If you're constantly switching platforms, like trying Etsy and then going to Shopify, TikTok Shop, etc., or even just switching niches altogether, you are constantly starting over from scratch. And that's like trying to build 5 different houses at once and never finishing the foundation on a single one of them. You need to finish one. And if you want real results, I would do this. I would start with one product. I always recommend t-shirts because they're evergreen. They're pretty simple to sell. It connects with a lot of people on Facebook ads. Pick a niche that you understand and can emotionally connect with. It's better to pick a niche that you are a part of because you know that customer better than 95% of other people. You want to launch wide within that niche so that we can test a variety of different angles. And then you want to read the data, the pure data and numbers, and not let your emotions confuse you. Once we see that data, we iterate as we go. And this cycle continues going on and on. Momentum doesn't come from doing everything. It comes from doing one thing and getting really good at it. Starting a Shopify print-on-demand brand isn't just the fulfillment method. It is the vehicle for you to learn entrepreneurship. And if you treat it that way, you're not just going to build a standalone t-shirt store. You're building your brand and ultimately building your career. Now, I want to be clear. Most people never get what they want, not because they weren't capable of getting it, but because they gave up too soon and they let fear, doubt, and frustration win. They expected instant results, and when it didn't happen, they bailed. But if you stay in it, if you focus, you simplify, and you learn the business, you'll be shocked at what this business gives back to you. Maybe not in 1 week, maybe not in 1 month, but in time. And if you stay focused, you can build the skill. If this video connected with you, please like and subscribe to my channel and feel free to grab that free WeScale tracker that's linked in the description below. Thanks guys, I'll see you in the next video.